This guide explains how to factory reset an Android phone using for different ways. However, note that the actual operations may vary slightly with Android models. Part 1. How to do a factory reset on Android through settings. If you can still access your Android phone, try opening settings and factory resetting your Android phone directly. However, as it will erase all the phone data in settings, you can back up your Android phone before factory reset on Android 9 or later. Step 1. Go to Settings and search for Reset. Step 2. Under the Reset menu, choose Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and click the Reset button. Step 3. Enter your PIN if you have enabled the screen lock. Then click Continue, Delete All. Step 4. Enter your password of the account you have signed in on the Android device. Finally, click OK to start the process. On Android 5.0 to Android 8, Step 1. On your phone, go to Apps, Settings, Backup, and Reset. Step 2. Click Factory Data Reset, Reset Device, Erase Everything. Before Android 5.0, Step 1. Unlock your Android phone. Open Settings, General, Backup, and Reset. Step 2. Click Factory Data Reset, Reset Device, Delete All. Part 2. How to factory reset Android with buttons by recovery mode. If you can't access your Android device because you forgot the password, you can still perform a factory reset. Just boot the phone into recovery mode using the hardware buttons and proceed with a master reset to wipe the device. Step 1. Turn off your Android phone. Step 2. Press and hold the power plus volume down buttons together on most Android devices. If you use a Samsung phone, press and hold the power plus volume up buttons simultaneously. Step 3. Keep holding the buttons until you see the start arrow point at the power button. Step 4. Press the volume down button to navigate to recovery mode, highlight it, and touch the power button to select. Step 5. When the phone reloads, you will see a no command sign on the screen. Press and hold the power plus volume up buttons concurrently to load the recovery mode. Step 6. Select the wipe data or factory reset option with the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm the choice. Step 7. Confirm the operation by choosing the factory data reset and highlighting yes. After that, it will start factory resetting your device. Step 8. Select Reboot System now to restart your device. Part 3. How to reset Android phone via Coolmuster Android Eraser. Coolmuster Android Eraser can factory reset your Android phone and permanently delete everything on it with zero chance of recovery. Note that it works when you can access and use your Android device. Step 1. Install and run Coolmuster Android Eraser on your computer. Step 2. Plug your Android phone into the computer via a USB cable and enable USB debugging. Next, authorize the necessary permissions and tap OK to proceed. Step 3. Click Erase on the interface. Select a security level from the relevant column. Tap OK, type in delete into the blank. Click Erase, hit OK to confirm. Afterward, it will start erasing your Android phone. Low level is the fastest way to erase data on Android. If you choose the medium or high level, it will continue overwriting the phone data after erasure. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to factory reset your Android phone from settings and set up the device as new. Part 4. How to hard format Android phone with Find My Device. If your device is lost but the Find My Device feature is enabled, you can use Google's Find My Device service to remotely format it. Step 1. Open a browser on another device or computer and navigate to the Find My Device website. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Select the device you wish to factory reset from the device list. Step 4. Click on the Erase Device option. Step 5. Confirm the action, and Find My Device will remotely erase all data on the device and restore it to its factory settings.